Welcome everyone, this is AppTech Pro. Today we're going to be working on iPhone 11. It has a crack in the screen, and then also the digitizer is basically doing the matrix of the LCD. So I'm going to go ahead and start the timer, speed up the video, and show you the final result. Hope you enjoy.
Lightning inside me, son of a god. I'm like a titan that's rising, oh just you watch. I'm stepping into fate, there is no time to waste. I've got that lightning inside me, this is how legends are made.
And we are done. So 10 minutes and 6 seconds, and we have a brand new iPhone 11. I'm gonna take that off. And everything works great. So if you need an iPhone repair, battery replacement, screen replacement, anything to do with iPhones, we can definitely help you. Make sure you check us out on Instagram, Facebook, our website, and also YouTube. During the month of December, we're offering specials throughout the whole month, so make sure you get a hold of us. And I just want to thank all of our customers. Thank you for those who watch the videos. Until next time, I'll see you guys soon. Thanks again.